In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up volume profile in Sierra chart. Now, the first thing you want to do here on your chart, just right click and click on the studies button. And then in here, you have to basically look for volume by price. So wherever you are, just start typing in volume by price. And then there we go. As you can see here, you basically will be able to add in the volume profile. So just double click it. It's going to get added here on the right hand side. And then when you click apply and OK, as you can see, you now have the volume profile. However, of course, if you want to stylize it, you can do that as well. And the way you do it is right click again, go to studies, double click on it over here on the right hand side, and then in here you can change a bunch of different things here. So of course you can change different input values, you can go ahead and change different settings here on the left, you can go inside subgraphs and change these as well. So there's a bunch of different things you can do here. Just go ahead, read every single one of these, and then of course set them to however you want it set. And after you do it, click on the apply button and then the OK button, and just like this, you've basically customized your own volume profile inside Sierra chart. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.